Hi YouTubers, it's George. Got another little project on the go. This is Cheapo DAB radio and one from the bedroom. I don't listen to the radio very much at all, but Jane does. And when you switch it on, it would automatically go to a preset volume level. But what's happened is it's coming on quiet and you turn the volume up and it's been fine. So every time it's been used, the button there, the on off button, the up button for the volume is pushed in now. So I think the spring's gone. I do notice there's a little crack in the plastic, but whether it can be repaired I don't know. But it's a TEvion cheap one, and I say it's the volume knob has been pushed in. I have had trouble with some of the little switches before and I've replaced them, but this might be like a plastic spring that snapped. So first thing I'm going to do is take the back off and have a look, see what's inside. First thing to do with these is to make sure that your aerial is clipped into position, and then it's 4 screws, one there, one there, one there, one there, and then there's 2 shorter screws which are one there and one there, and then by using the aerial you can pull, it comes apart like that. And there's another screw, just fell out, so that's interesting. I wonder where that's fell out from. It's fell out from the inside. The construction is, oh my god, it's dreadful, horrible. Ooh, it's a imitation wood plywood box, awful thing. I think the front presses out as well, but I think the front comes out. So let's have a look at that. I'll lay it on its back. Let's see if we can get the front out. Well, it's a bit fiddly, but basically when the back's removed, you have to put a long screwdriver to the front and undo that screw and that screw, and this top panel prizes out, and the plastic is split there. Can you see it? It's split. I'll try and do a still photo of that so you can see it. As well as the case crack there, just there in that top corner, I can glue that. This should be one piece, and it's got like a plastic hinge. I might be able to put a spring on it inside, glue a spring. I don't know. I might be able to do it. I'll do a picture of that as well. Now with respect to the radio, what I've done is I've put 2 springs into the switch area, and luckily I've got a couple of spring kits come from Aldi. I've had them for years. One's older than the other. This is the earlier one and this is the later one. Same sort of thing. I'll keep springs in it, and I was able to insert 2 springs at the back of the button. There was enough room in the circuit board so you could see it. I put 2 springs in, so now it acts on the springs on the switch. So hopefully that'll fix it. I'll do a still photo of that so you can see that as well. Well, that's it back together. Switch on.
Does he do that in the original Italian version, Kill Jimmy Cricket?
He absolutely does. He does in the newspaper.
That's it. Fixed. Needs a repair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.